早上好。Wait a moment. 大家早上好。我们继续《道德经》老子第30章。以道佐人处者，不以兵强天下，其势好还，荆棘生焉。大军之后，必有凶年。善有过而已，而勿惊；过而勿伐；过而勿骄；过而不得已；过而勿强。勿壮则老，是谓不道。不道早已。一道不以兵强天下，其势好还，失之所居，荆棘。大军之后，必有凶年。善有过而已，不以去轻；过而无法，过而无骄，过而不得已，过而无求，是谓不道。不道早已。He who by child purpose to help the ruler of men will upset by force of arms, for such things abound where armies are, thorns and brambles grow. The ration of good is followed by a year of dearth. Therefore, a good effort has purpose and stops. He dares not renounce of arms. Effort has purpose and does not glory in it. Effort has purpose and does not boast of it. Effort has purpose, regrettable necessity, efforts has purpose, but does not have violence. For things age after reaching their prime, that violence will the town, and he who is against the town perishes young. 不断尝试，不断学习，不断思考，不断尝试。Keep learning, thinking, keep trying. Thanks. First of all, I appreciate you give me this opportunity. I'm Xian Chen. My Chinese name is Xinjun Chen. You can call me Xian for convenience. I graduated from the University of Electronic Science and Technology of China. I'm a software development engineer working in the software development industry. I have more than 16 years of experience in various areas such as telecommunications, both Mathematics, Vue, and Maven, to name a few. Always rely on my favorite IDE, intelligent IDE technology. I love technology and have the things independently. I can also handle certain work pressures. I have good communication skills and I'm used to writing Chinese and English documents. I can promote teamwork spirit. I am good at using Google and Stack Overflow. I diligently read o- original English books, source code, manual, and specifications. I actively solve difficult problems. I'm familiar with the design and of distributed and high concrete systems. Spring MOAC, my body framework. I have been working as a backend engineer for the past 16 years. I have a strong understanding of the technology and math, math the logics used to develop and maintain back-end systems. I'm proficient in the programming languages Java and Python. I have also worked with frameworks such as Springboot. In my previous role at TribeSky, I was responsible for developing and maintaining the backend system for a security inspection quality control platform called SQC. I also worked on a team that used machine learning for language recognition in the platform. This experience has given me the skills and knowledge necessary to be successful in this role at your company. I'm passionate about the software development industry and I'm excited about the opportunity to work at your company. I believe that my skills and experience would be a valuable asset to your team. And I am confident that I can make a significant contribution to the company's success. I have been working on a system for security inspection quality control platform called SQC. I was responsible for developing all of the SQC's core business modules, including system management, managing user accounts and authorities, quality control management, provide some web pages for users to check passage and luggage pictures and camera videos. Interface management integrates other system data into our system. Equipment management displays the whole security area's equipment on web page. Display real-time equipment status and receive business data. The system was complex and had to be highly scalable to handle the large volume of traffic to the platform. I worked on the system for several years, and the challenges I entered included designing a scalable and efficient architecture, implementing a secure and reliable interface data processor, face recognition, luggage identification, and event recognition, writing unit tests to ensure the quality of the code, building a monitoring system to check and record the whole platform's running conditions. I overcome this challenge by a team of experienced engineers. We used a variety of design patterns and best practice to ensure that the system was well designed and scalable. We also implemented a variety of society machines. The system was successfully launched and has been running smooth ever since. It has helped the security department of the to guarantee its operation and provide a better experience for quality control officers. Here are some of the specific things I did to overcome the challenges I faced. I used the microservice architecture, which allows the system to be scaled horizontally by adding more servers. I used a catching system to score frequency access data, which improve performance. I used Springboard and Lacos to implement a load balancer to distribute traffic evenly across the servers, which improves scalability. I wrote a unit test to ensure the quality of the code. I use the continuous integration and continuous deliver CI/CD to automate the development process. I am proud of work I did on this, and I believe it is a good example of my skills and experience in developing the systems and APIs. I stay updated with the latest trends and advancements in backend engineering by following the following practice. Industry publications and blogs. There are many great publications and blogs that cover the latest news and trends in backend engineering. Some of my favorites include the new stack towards data science, Hacker News, Dev2, Medium, according attending conference and meetups. There are many conference and meetups that are held throughout the year that focus on back-end engineering. These events are a great way to learn about new technologies and meet other engineers in the field. Taking online course and tutorials. There are many online courses and tutorials that can teach you about new technologies and practice in back-end engineering. Some of my favorite include Udemy, Coursera, edX. Exploring with new technologies. The best way to learn about new technologies is to implement with them, to try out new frameworks, libraries, and tools to see how they work. Staying connected with my peers, talk to other engineers about the latest trends and technologies. This is a good way to learn about new things and get feedback on your own work. Here, I implement new technologies and or practice in my previous backend engineering roles. I implemented a new cloud-based infrastructure to improve stability and performance. I migrated a legacy system to a new programming language to improve maintainability. Implemented a new logging and monitoring system. I automate manual tasks with scripts to improve efficiency. I introduced new tests to improve quality. I'm confident that I am up to date with the latest trends segments in backend engineering. I am also confident that I have the skills and experience to implement new technologies and practice in my role at your company. I once worked on a team that was developing a super chain project. The project designs had come up with a great idea for the project, but they needed my help to implement the technologies. I worked closely with the designer and their requirements and to come up with a solution that would meet their needs. I also worked with the front-end developers to ensure that the back-end solution was compatible with their work. To ensure effective communication and alignment between the different teams, I used the following strategies. Regular communication. I have held regular meetings with the designers and front-end developers to discuss the progress of the project and to identify and potential problems. Clear documentation. I created a clear documentation of a backend solution so that the designers and the front-end developers could easily understand it. Proactive communication. I was proactive in communication with the designers and the front-end developers, even when there were no problems. This helped to build trust and rapport between the teams. Respect for different perspectives. I respect the different perspectives of the designers and front-end developers. I listened to their ideas and concerns. and I was willing to compromise when necessary. As a result of these strategies, I was able to successfully collaborate with the cross-functional teams to deliver a successful back-end solution. The project was released on time and on budget, and it was a commercial success. I was working on a subchain project that was experiencing high latency issues that use a monolithic architecture, which make it difficult to scale and improve performance. I decided to refactor the project to use a microservice architecture. This allowed me to decouple the different at easier performance. As a result, the were resolved and the project was able to handle a larger number of users without any performance degradation. The key to ensuring the performance, reliability, and of backend system is to use a combination of sound architectural particle best practice principles best practice and automated process. By following these principles, principles, you can help to ensure that your backend systems are able to deliver high quality experience to users. I like fun, complete work experience. Let me give you an example. My last phone company was my last company was a software development company. At that time, I worked on two project teams. One was a supply chain project, and the other was a banking project. We needed to communicate with users and then conduct leads analysis and program design according to their needs. After the program design document was approved, I continued to study and track project progress in weekly meetings. It was a very good work experience, but later the company went bankrupt. So I left the phone company and found the current state-owned experience software development job. However, I have been thinking about finding another job in phone company. At the present, there are fewer and fewer phone companies in China, so I will try to find opportunity with software companies in other places. Okay, thank you. Goodbye. Yeah, thank you. Come here. See you next time. See you next time. We can reading um, reading books. We can share our life. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye.